vaccinated.
And just in tonight, a CDC panel has voted to recommend booster doses of Pfizer's vaccine for people 65 and older, nursing home residents, and those with underlying medical conditions. The extra shot would be given at least 6 months after the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine. The FDA made its booster recommendation yesterday, but the CDC's guidance was needed before boosters can roll out. Hartford Healthcare Dr. Ulysses Wu says that even after people get a COVID booster, they should still proceed with caution, just like those fully vaccinated with 2 shots. No risky behavior, masks, and hand washing.
They should still take precautions because it is not a silver bullet of protection for them. And even if it does protect them, you can still possibly become asymptomatic and give it to somebody else who may not be able to get the vaccine or was not able to mount an immune response with the vaccine.
He says there is a lot of COVID and vaccine hesitancy right now, but when people are deemed eligible, they should get their booster shot. He says initial COVID vaccines and boosters are the only way to get the pandemic under control.
If we don't get it under control and it actually starts to get out of control, that's when we're going to start seeing more variants.
And Dr. Wu urges people not to let their guard down when they see Connecticut's high vaccination rate.
This is not a Connecticut issue. This is not a U.S. issue. This is a global issue. And so people are flying from other countries, or we are going to other countries.
And Dr. Wu says regardless of when you get a booster, you still need to wait 2 weeks for its strength to reach its highest level. He says where we are in the pandemic, near the start or finish, all comes down to what we do right now.